You can still see bloody reminders of what happened Friday night. Cinda Pippinger was in front of her house saying goodbye to a neighbor. Pippinger's black lab, Shadow, walked her friend to the street. She had her other dog, Snowbird, on a leash.
My friend said, "There's a stray dog out here." And before I could do anything, the dog was on my dog, had her by the throat, pinned flat on the front porch.
A pit bull ran up and attacked Snowbird. Pippinger beat the pit bull with a leash, trying to get it to break its hold.
So I pulled until my dog screamed bloody murder, and the dog finally let go.
But not before the pit bull tore the skin off Snowbird's shoulder.
She also has a terrible head wound up here.
But Shadow was still outside. The pit bull attacked, tearing the lab's throat.
It was terrifying.
Animal Control Officer Chelsea Angelo says Pippinger did all she could.
In this particular situation, she used what she had available to her, and that was a leash, and it did actually work to get the dog off of her dog, and she was fortunate to where she was close to home and could go back inside.
You shake hands? Good girl.
Both dogs are doing okay after surgery, but Pippinger says she wants justice.
I am enraged. I wanted to shoot the dog. If I'd had a gun, I'd have shot the dog, and I really feel like I'd like to shoot the owners too. I just can't believe anybody would keep an animal that is so vicious and so unreliable. I mean, it's awful.